Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, we are going to see information regarding a very good opportunity from Tech Mahindra. So this Tech Mahindra Recruitment 2021 is for fresh science graduates, and to start with the compensation, first 6 months will be a probation period, and during which the selected candidates would be paid 1.6 lakh per annum. After the probation period, the candidates will be offered a CTC of, that is cost to company, of 2.05 lakh per annum, and you will also have to sign a bond, okay, an indemnity bond for 1 lakh for a mandatory period of 2 years. And during the probation, the candidates will undergo unit specific training, on the job training, shadowing, all as per business requirement. And important dates, there are just only 3 days available, okay. So you have to apply for this before 19th of July 2021, and so if you fulfill all the criteria, they will send you a communication to the registered email ID. They'll send the communication regarding the assessment process. Maybe 1 or 2 weeks before the assessment, they'll be sending it to you. And as far as the educational qualification is concerned, 10th, 12th and graduation, in all these three, the candidate should have a minimum of 60%, right? So 10 60, 12 60, 12th or diploma 60, and graduation 60 is mandatory. And when you are entering, let's say in your graduation you are following a CGPA system, when you are entering the marks in the in the online registration, you should enter the marks in terms of percentage. So whatever is your university criteria of calculating CGPA to percentage, you should do the calculation and then update only in percentage, otherwise this would be invalid, okay. So you should not enter the CGPA, you should convert as per your university norms and update in terms of percentage, please remember that. And so which are the branches that are eligible? BSc Computers, BSc Electronics, BSc Physics, Mathematics, BSc Statistics and BSc IT, also BCA and BCS. So these are the disciplines, these are the candidates who can apply for this particular hiring. And as far as break in education is concerned, not more than 1 year gap since SSLC, and that too should not be after joining a course, that is, okay. So there should not be any loss of academic year after joining a course, that is mandatory. And as far as year of passing is concerned, the candidates who have completed these courses in 2019 or 2020 can apply, and there should not be any backlog. And as far as the online assessment is concerned, you will have aptitude test, verbal, English essay writing, story writing, psychometric test. After that, so people who qualify the online assessment will be called for the technical interview and further HR interview. So this is the selection process. And they have given only 3 joining locations: Pune, Noida and Chennai. And so they also mentioned that willing to work as per the company client specified work timings, including shift working. And so they also provide a choice, okay. So it is not mandatory, they provide a choice to the selected people. If they want to pursue a 4-year MTech program in software systems from BITS Pilani, the selected persons can undergo this higher studies, can pursue this higher studies. So how to apply? The link to apply is given in the description below. You please click on that link, and it will ask for, it will give you some instructions. So after reading the instructions, you accept it, and then you go inside, and then it will ask for the usual, like email ID, phone number, your 10th class details, class 12 details, okay, your graduation details including a register number. It will also ask for your preferred joining location and all that, right? So we have almost come to the end. So if you have any queries, so they have also given a mail ID to contact, so you can send your queries to the official email ID. I hope the information I have provided in this video was useful. Now if you have any questions, please do post your questions in the comment section below. For regular job updates, keep following our website learningabout.in, and thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.